Again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, MilesTech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up BD NET VPN, Fast DNS and Slow DNS, and the Super DNS for a fast connection, a stable connection, and a secure connection. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking the tutorial, and sharing it to your friend. I'll be setting it up to work in all regions and on all networks to provide you with a secure connection. That is it. So in the first place, you're going to open Google Play Store. And once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search for this application, which is BD NET VPN. Don't forget to drop a like on this tutorial. So you're going to search this application and then install it in your device. After, you're going to open. Now, this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and community guidelines. Before doing anything, kindly let me show you where you're going to come first. You're going to come right there where I'm pointing, top left corner, and then access the menu bars. And once you tap onto those menu bars, give it some few seconds, it will be able to bring you a menu. So before doing anything, I recommend you to choose that first option you are seeing in the menu, which is update. And then once you check that update, it will be able to check for updates. And once you check for update, the application will be fully updated so that you can be able to access a secure connection with the updated version. So in the next step, you're going to come right here where you see a plus button, that plus green button, and then you're going to press onto it, and then you're going to choose an option which is create. Once you choose that option create, kindly put in the name of the configuration you want to create. For example, I'll create mouse. I will create MilesTech DNS config. Don't forget to subscribe and like the tutorial. So you can put also, you can go on and then format your text message by putting it that this DNS config works in. For example, you can format as you want in all countries for secure connection. So you can put it, you can format it in a way, you can edit it in a way that you want, and then that is it. Config works. And let us go to the next step. So we're going to come right here, you see dialect, and then we're going to, let us first choose a fast DNS. For a fast DNS, you just need to just tap the fast DNS stuff, and then you're free to go on setting up the expiration date, password lock for security, mobile data lock, and then you can also block the devices. But for a slow DNS, we're going to come and then you'll be able to put in the DNS server. For example, you can be able to put in you can put in a DNS server that will be working in your country to provide you with a secure connection, or you can put in 1.1.1.1, or you can put in 8.8.8.8. That is it. So let us first try out a fast DNS server, and then you're free to go on and set the expiration date, the HWID lock, and then the password lock, and other stuff. So let us first check that one, and then you are free to copy and share your code, but I don't recommend you to do that. I recommend you to just go on and save. After saving, as you see, it will be right here, and then you have go on and set up the server, and then come start. You can enable the DNS right here and then give it some few seconds. Give it as you see, mine has connected successfully. Mine has connected successfully, and let us in the next tutorial. I'm MilesTech and I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this and share. That is it.